I'm so pissed off. I want to cut the hair. I'm not lying. Let's listen my hair. I've had these braids in for two weeks and a few days. Oh yo, my hair is growing.
Oh my god!
Because I am really trying this Ayurveda form of hair growth, right? So now this is like I can't even leave braids in for like 1 month anymore. This is 2 weeks, guys. Like, let's take down the braids. Backstory: I have PCOS, so that makes my hair shed a lot. I have 4B/4C hair. 4C, 4B. So all here is 4B, and all around here is 4C. I texturized my hair, which damaged my coil pattern and they messed up my natural hair. But right now I'm trying to like revive it because I'm so pissed off. I want to cut the hair. I'm not lying. I have told a lot of people many times I want to come here. I'm like, oh my god, your hair is still. But see, it's scanty. Now my hair can't grow full. It's scanty, guys. Like it's scanty. Like this is 4 braids. This is somebody's 1 braid, but this is my own 4 braids. If you don't know anything about PCOS, it's a hormonal imbalance that causes you to lose your hair on your head, but have hair every other place. Your arms and your legs. So let's take out my braids. Like, guys, help me. But the shedding has reduced compared to how dirty it is. Guys, PCOS and stress. This is the result, guys.